To begin the speed test, let's go ahead and pull up a terminal. The command that we are going to use is sudo speedtest-cli -share -secure and press enter, and it will ask for your password. So I'll go ahead and type in my password and press enter to begin the speed test. For this first speed test, my computer is currently connected to my PLDT router. As you can see on your screen, the terminal is retrieving the configuration and testing from PLDT, and it has my current IP address. I'm not gonna be worried to let you see the IP address I am on right now because I'm gonna change it after I do this video. If you want to learn how you can change or hide your IP address, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We now have the result for PLDT. Download speed is 57.33 Mbps, which is okay. It is the normal speed that I expect based on my PLDT plan. For the upload speed, we have 72.16 Mbps, which is quite fair enough. If you want to see the image result and if you wish to share it, you can simply copy and paste the link on your browser. Next command that we are going to type in is sudo ifconfig eth0 down. This is to disconnect your current internet connection and do the cable switch from PLDT router to our Converge router. Once you have connected your computer to your Converge router, simply type in sudo ifconfig eth0 up to turn your internet connection back on. Let's go ahead and check if we are now connected by refreshing our browser. Alright, there you go. We are now back on. This time around, we will check the internet speed of Converge. We will use the same command that we used earlier to conduct the speed test. For the command, I use the share argument to generate and get the URL for the image result, and the secure argument is to make secured connection when communicating with the servers. If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to comment below. We now have the result for our second speed test. For Converge, download speed is 112.13 Mbps, and for the upload speed, we have 112.44 Mbps. Let's copy and paste the generated URL on our browser. And there you have it. By the way, I finally decided to switch from PLDT Home Fibr to Converge FiberX. I applied and submitted all the requirements on February the 2nd at around 9 p.m. In less than 24 hours, application was completed and Converge came to my place for the installation. Thanks to Ms. Olen and Mr. Jason and his team for the fast and great service they provided. Unlike with PLDT, the NDD issue that I reported way back in November 21, 2020 was fixed not until February 6, 2021. That's 3 days I got the service from Converge.